Which one is correct? ជំរាបសួរស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់វីដេអូប្រចាំសប្តាហ៍ Actually the word 6 and 6 both of them are correct. No wonder why learning Khmer for ages but still complete foreigner. Because in Cambodia we like to combine two syllable words into one. So this week we're gonna practice this pronunciation hacks with me for the number from number 6 to number 9. As you know, for number 1 to number 5, we just say like normal standard word. Let's form up together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easy, right? 5 just 5. And also, as you know already, my number when you want to say 6 to 9, we just combine 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 5 plus 3, and 5 plus 4. So now, let's practice together how it works when we combine two numbers together. So, number 1 is 6. In the textbook says 5 1. 5 1. But local says 6. 6. 7. Textbook says 5 2. 5 2. But local says 7. 7. Can you say it?
5.
Nice. Okay, and now we go to number 8. In textbook say 5 3. 5 3. But local says 8. 8.
Why?
Nice. Okay, the last one is number 9. Textbook says 5 4. 5 4. But local says 4. 4. Can you say it again?
4.
Nice try, everyone. Thank you. Do we say 5 5? Okay, we say 10. 10. So now, let's speak like a local together from 1 to 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. This is how local speak. Now, go and try this trick with a local. Bye-bye. Click, like, follow សម្រាប់វីដេអូនៅសប្តាហ៍ក្រោយអរគុណច្រើនជម្រាបលា
Bye bye.